Hello students, hope all of you are fine. So today we are going to discuss about thyroid gland. Thyroid gland, it has ectodermal origin, okay, in case of embryo, okay, during embryonic development from ectoderm it develops. Thyroid gland is the largest endocrine gland, okay, and it is located anterior to the thyroid cartilage of larynx in the neck. The gland is well supplied with the blood vessel. It is bilobed organ. The two lobes are connected by a narrow structure called isthmus. The microscopic structure of thyroid gland show thyroid follicles composed of cubical epithelium and filled with homogeneous material called colloid. So, in the thyroid gland, we find the cubical epithelium, and this cubical epithelium are filled with the colloid. Okay. Small amount of loose connective tissue forms stroma of the gland. Beside containing blood capillaries, the stroma contains small cluster of specialized parafollicular cells. That means stroma is present, but beside that also there is presence of another cell which is called parafollicular cell or C cells. Okay. Thyroid gland is the only gland that can store hormones in large quantities for about 2 months. Okay, so it is very amazing that it can store the hormone for about 2 months. Okay, and it is the largest gland. The hormone that is secreted by the thyroid gland is thyroxine. Okay, that is also known as tetraiodothyronine or T4 hormone. And next we have is triiodothyronine, that is the T3, and these are secreted by thyroid follicular cells. Thyrocalcitonin is also a hormone and it is secreted by the C cells. Now C cells are parafollicular cells. Okay. Now these gland is stimulated to secrete the hormones by thyroid stimulating hormones. Okay, that means thyroid gland gets stimulated by the thyroid stimulating hormone which is secreted by the pituitary gland, and pituitary gland in turn is stimulated by the secretion of the hypothalamus. And thyroid stimulating hormone is also known as thyrotropin. Thyroxine, that is T4, and triiodothyronine, that is T3, contain 4 and 3 atoms of iodine respectively. T4 contain 4 iodine molecules atoms, and the T3 contain 3 atoms of the iodine. Now T3 is secreted in small amount. Okay, the secretion of the T3 is less, even than it is more potent, okay, than the T4. T4 is converted to T3 by removal of one iodine in the liver, kidney and some other tissues. If the one atom of iodine is removed from the T4, then it get converted into T3. Okay, that is triiodothyronine. In where does it take place? In liver, kidney and some other tissues. Both T4 and T3 have similar effect on the target cell. They are generally considered together as the thyroid gland, thyroid hormones. These T3 and T4, they have similar functions, so they can be called as thyroid hormones. Thyroid gland is the only gland that store its hormone in large quantity. Okay, and T4 and T3 are synthesized by attaching iodine to tyrosine. Tyrosine is an amino acid. Okay, when the iodine atoms they get attached with the tyrosine, there is formation of the thyroid hormone. Now, the function of thyroxine, that is T4, and the T3, that is triiodothyronine, are they regulate the metabolic rate of the body. Okay, then basal metabolic rate is also maintained by the thyroid hormone. Okay, that is BMR is also regulated. They stimulate protein synthesis and therefore promote growth of the body tissue. That means they are responsible for secretion of the protein. Okay, and they also ensure the development of the mental growth. Okay, that is they regulate the mental growth